Six. First ball possession, DSA. Alvarado, 2 points. Shoutout pa sa lahat ng mga nanay na nanonood sa PEBA. Happy Mother's Day sa inyong lahat. Boko. Foul jersey number 13. Number 17. Foul jersey number 6. 2 shots for jersey number 12. Panibago ah. Ayun, bumasket. Number 3. Three points. Number 17. So number 12. Number 45. Steal by number 6. Two points. Number 38. Number 3. Number 7. Pass to number 12. Number 6. Number 38. First team foul. Jumper. Number 17, pass to number 13. Number 38, number 45, number 50. Alvarado.
12 to shoot. 3 point. Miss. Rebound number 3. The stats. Next shoot. Block. 12 to 39 miss. Six. Nyari foul. 13. Two shots. 13 in a foul. 13. Dalawa. Nanti ilan. Three points. Rebound, 20 shots on 14. 10 to shoot. 2 points. Aaron, 3 point. Miss. Turnover. Foul, foul. Number 3, substitution. 3. First foul. Three points. Number 5, plays up, miss, almost steal. Seventeen, 3 point, miss again, left rebound, 13. Turnover. Timeout, USA. Foul. 17. Miss 2. Steal. Rebound, PSA. Turnover. Practicing. 2 points. Nine. There, please. Substitution. Seconds. 85. 20 seconds. 15. 10. High. Foul number 17. Second personal foul. Supply. Supply pa rin. And the first period. Montes. Nakuha ng Jesen. Nice din sa likod. 2 points. On point lead, Jesen. 5. Pass to the bird. Plays up. 2 points. Take the shoot! Kunyari, foul number 1. Pukul natin, Mintis, 3 point, miss, offensive rebound. Take the shoot. 5 to shoot. 3 point. Mintes. Last touch. PSA. Santa 14. Take the shoot. 3 points. All. Out. 45. Substitution. Iyan, pasok na. Substitution 2-8. 38 out. Long pass. Number 5. Vergara. It's a traveling. Thirty 31, naroon, 2-point attempt. Fitness. Foul. 34, pushing foul, substitution. Good. Turnover. Ten to shoot. Shot the cake. Shot the cake. Time to shoot. Shot the violation. To contact with this, rebound number 2, foul. Timeout, Dizzy. Turnover. Number 9. Double team. Still by Gokong. Number 10. Pass to 31. 2 point again. Rebound. Shot number 14. 2 point again. 2 points. Number 3. 2 points. Fitness. Number 6. 3, 30. Pass. 3 point. Pass to 24. 45. 10 to shoot. Lays up. Pass to 12. 8 to shoot. Mintes. 40 shot net. Foul number 30. Second attempt. Mintes. Foul. Number 6. Heads. Second personal foul. Number 6. Pasok. Manila. For 2. For number 3. Lays up. Offensive foul. Number 3. Rohit. That's the error. 10 to shoot. 3 point. Mintes. Long rebound number 9. Pass to number 3. Long pass to number 30. 30. Inside pass. Number 3. 5. Foul on number 24. First personal foul. Okay, 2-2, tie on. Number 12, Lisa. Miss Rita Biese. Number 30, all the way. Like this. Two minutes and 35. Number 12. Pass to number 45. 45. Leza. Miss rebound. DSA. 30. Long pass to number 6. All the way. Leza miss. Mala 2 points. Number 3. Long pass to number 12. Number 12. 45. Iyan. Ha! Another 2 points. Rohit. 2 minutes. Number 13. Pass to number 9. Number 3. Fakes. Ha! Foul number 2. Pushing foul. Baik. Second shot. Number 13. Pass number 3. 2 point again. Mintes. At 45. Lays up. 2 points. Violation. Substitution, sub. Sorry, sub. Number 3, long 2. Is rebound number 6. Out of bounds. Number 17, pass through. Number 10, 3 point, miss. Number 3, foul. Number 17. Last ball, number 17, third personal foul. Penalty. Free throw attempt. 29 seconds. Second free throw. Basket. It's a tie. All 25. 25 seconds. 280. Shot number 14. Inside pass number 2. 10 to shoot. Family, 10 seconds. 5. End of the second period. 13. Pass to number 12. 2-point attempt. Miss. Last touch ang puti. Last touch ang GSA. Okay. Almost steal. Number 13. Pass to number 17. Perez. Back to Placer. Supera again. Lays up. 2 points. Long pass to number 34. Number 1, turnover. Steal by turnover again. Number 3, Daisy. 2 points. Twenty, 17, lays up. Miss. Number 30. Number 1, lays up. Pintes. Without Placer. Number 13. Pass to the goal. Number 10. Lays up. Pintes. Turnover. Steal by Rohit. Number 49. Lays up. Foul. Foul number 3. Last foul number 3, second personal foul. Bila sa left. First attempt, miss. Second attempt, miss again, rebound. Shot number 3, lays up. Miss. Shot lang 14 again, lays up again, 2 points. Back 2 points by Perez. Wala na ba? Substitution. Shot lang 22. 34. Pass to 30. Back to 34 again. Back to 30. Shot lang 14. 2 point attempt. Basket. Number 12. Plays up. Rebound. DSA. Pass to number 30. Number 30. Lays up again. 2 points. 4-point lead by DSA. Placer, back to si Perez. Perez. Back to Placer. Don't shoot. Another. Turnover. Player out of bounds. Player out of bounds. Number 30. Pass to. Anyari. Double dribble. Madali lang, nabigay na. Bumuli dito. Turnover to turnover. Number 10, back to Perez. 31 and out. Turnover. Still by number 30. Substitution. Number 3, 2-point attempt. Timeout, DSA. Two-point attempt, Pintes. steal by number 12, shot clock 10. 5 to shoot. 3 points. Miss. Shot clock 14. Basket foul. Number 13, third personal foul. Sorry, tama, third. Ball sprinter by number 12. Basket. Substitution. 1-point lead. Almost in. Foul number 10. Bigyan ang bola. Substitution. Go ahead in. Go out. Number 30. Power move. Foul. 17. Last foul, number 17, fourth personal foul. Free throw natin, basket. Sige natin. Miss. Rebound, Young Vikings. Foul. 36. Substitution. 38 plus foul, sorry. 38. Blaser dribbles. Pass to Aaron. 45, Rohit. Inside pass. Still by number 13. 13 all the way. 2 points. Still ko itong akin to. Number 3. Pass to Placer. 31 Aaron, 3-point. Mintes. Nothing but board. Loho, Mr. Nobel. Thirteen, ang ganda ng pasa! Foul number 31. 31, asal to. Aaron. Free throw attempt. Sige na din! Basket! Number 12! Three-point! Bang! 2-point lead. Oh, turnover! Steal by number 12! Foul on number 34, pushing down. Stop. Last foul, number 34, second personal foul. Free throw natin by number 12. This. Number 10, Master Heat, 2 points. Number 30, days up. And this. Number 11. Together, Quintes, 13, Balak, Pangasinan. Nariwan at 31, 1 minute. Dito. Still by number 10, lays up 2 points. Number 6, pass to number 13, inside pass to 11. Follow up, Quintes, rebound number 6, 2 points. $15. 10. 3 point, Quintes 5. 30 all the way. Oras na po, no basket, no basket, no basket. Nasser, pass to number 2, 3 point, man in this, rebound number 30. Number 10. Second personal foul, Bokong. 13, take 3. 30. 2-point attempt. Beautiful. Beautiful. 2 points. Beautiful. 2 points. Oh, it's a number! Number 30, lays up. 30 kabila pa. Number 3, rebound. Number 9, set na 14. 30. 3 seconds. Number 12. 3-point. Air ball. Ayan. Open na open. Number 9, long pass to number 30 all the way. 2 points. 3-point lead. Rebound, number 30. Pass to number 3. Number 3. Oh, illegal. Number 9, blocking foul. Sandali lang, nabigay na. Upo muna kayo, ilan dito. Number 13, pass to number 12. Walk on, 3-point. Miss. Rebound. Number 6, Yao. Pass to number 9. Pass to number 30. Shot up 12. 2-point attempt. Miss. Rebound niya. Glaser. Pass to Rohit. 12 to shoot. Rohit lays up. 2 points. Thirty. Pass to number 3. Page. 2 points. Walk on. Pass to Glaser. 12 to shoot. 2-point attempt. 4 shot. 5 to shoot. 3-point. Miss. Substitution. Maglaro lang kayo. Maglaro lang kayo. Turnover. Number 17. Jabol. Jesse. Hindi lang nailipat. Rebound. Thirty-four. Pass to number 13. Hey, turnover. Rohit lays up. Miss. Rebound. 44. Shot number 14. Ten to shoot. 3-point miss. Long rebound 17. Shot clock 14. Ian 3-point miss again. Rebound number 13. Number 13. Pass to 34. Cross pass to 3. Long 2. Palang. Sayang. Mas pa. Number 10. Lays up. Alap to Rohit. Rebound number 9. Number 9. Left-handed. Layup. 2 points. Wakli na. Rahim. Shot the girl. Inbound, Rahim. And shoot. Lays up. Timeout, Vikings. Viking basketball. Double tawag. Vikings. Ten to shoot. Ten to shoot. Okay, next game, be ready. Milano versus Roses. Palabay! Black! Shot clock 14. Time to shoot. 30. Pass 2. Takes 2 balls. Last 2 minutes. Ganda naman ang layup na yun. Sumayaw. Number 9. Pass to number 5. Sumalo. Natira. Sayang. Sayang naman. Sinta. Number 17. Foul. Number 13. Blocking foul. Fourth personal foul. Number 13. Second free throw by number 17, Perez. Basket. Game 5. Turnover. Ganda na pagkakasila number 38. Number 8. Yes, yes. One minute and 5. 1 minute. Shot clock 9. Substitution. Sige, pakitawag na lang papalitan. Time out. 9 seconds to shoot. Hindi, dito na, iniris tayo. Dito tayo mag-reset ng ng shot clock. Inbound. Time to shoot! Intes! Sino? Simple shot lang, 14. Tumawa na rin. To shoot! Shot clock 13. Foul number 17. 5 personal foul. Five personal foul. Number 17. Second team foul. Shot clock 14. Shoot! 5 shoot! 37 seconds. 37. Number 10, pass to hit 3 point! Pintis. Number 9, long pass to number 13. Black! 20 seconds. Timeout, DSA. Last timeout, DSA. 14 seconds. What about you say? Chisa. 11. Three points, man. Again. Penalty. 5 seconds. Okay, next game, be ready. Roses and Milano. Ay, speed. 5 seconds. Wala na. Placer, number 13. Three seconds. Wala na. Rebound. End of the ball game. Winner DSA. Score is 50-48 in favor of DSA. Players line up. Players line up. Shake hands. Best player.